So when you first walk in, this is the door, and then you get into the kitchen area. So we've got cupboards here, and this is where I'm going to put my microwave. And then we also have more cupboard space here. You actually open. So just cupboard space, and then more cupboard space, drawers, whatever. I'm so excited about this part because it's my spice rack. I love cooking, so I'm so excited about this. And just more cupboard space here. More cupboard space as well. And then here also is one of my favorite parts. So this is the stove. Okay, so this is the oven. As you can see, everything is new in here. Yeah, I'm gonna remove all that. And we also have got a pan. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And my bean is here. Then this side is just more cupboard space, basically. This part, I'm gonna have to get a double fridge, and then more cupboard space here. I'm also gonna get that stool to help me reach things there. And then this part is this gallery part. I've got this, the broom, whatever, cupboard, everything. Yeah. And then this is the sink. Got a double thingy, and I'm gonna put my washing machine down there because I don't have a dishwasher. And then just under this sink space. So this door leads to outside. Show you that later. And then this door leads to the garage. So come with me. So this is just the double garage space. It fits about two cars. Yeah, then that's my geyser. So this is solar geyser. The panels are upstairs on the roof actually. And then here there's space for me to put two appliances. So if I don't get the dishwasher, I'm gonna put my washing machine here, and then a dryer here if I do get one. But yeah, that's it for the garage part. You can come through. Okay, so from here we've got the half bathroom. So yeah, it's that. It's just the toilet and the small sink. There's just a window there. Yeah. So this is going to be the living area. So I'm obviously gonna put my couch here, and then I'm gonna put my TV here because that's where those are. And probably gonna put a kettle here. This side I'm probably gonna put the blinds because I love the lighting. It's really nice. So I want the curtains to look like that. So yeah, and then that's the outside. We'll go there and I'll show you. And here I plan on putting what's that? A dining table thingy. But yeah, I want to put some bar stools. I don't know if it's gonna work, but for now that's what I have. So that's what I'm gonna put here, and then I'm gonna put a table here. Yeah. So come, let's go upstairs. So this is also one of my favorite things in the house. This huge glass. It brings a lot of lighting into the house. It's like so huge. Oh, that bed just flew over. But yeah, it's fine. So yeah, guys, come let me show you upstairs. Okay, so when we get upstairs, this first room, so this is the guest bathroom. So we've got the mirror, the basin, the toilet, and this to hang the towels, and this to hang the, and then this is the shower. It's quite big. 2 people, 3 people can fit. 2, 3, yeah, it's quite big. And I also love this part. I'm not going to do that, otherwise I'm going to get wet. But yeah. And this part is where I'm gonna add, like, you know, the extra towels. Yeah. This is the first, okay, this is the third bedroom, I think, yeah. It's the smallest as well. So, yeah. It can fit a double bed. So I'm gonna put a double bed there. This is going to be my guest room for my guests and everything. And when they come through, they can also, you know, there's cupboard space here for them to put their things and everything. So yeah, I'll probably keep an extra blanket up there just in case they're cold, you know? Yeah, so that's it for the third bedroom, the smallest bedroom, number 3 or whatever I want to call it. And then here is the second bedroom, which is going to be my dresser, my dressing room, office space, and also my filming space because I want to start, you know, doing this. So yeah, I'm thinking of editing, you know, like either I'm gonna be editing my stuff here, this is where my desk is gonna be, or I'm going to make it a dressing table, whatever vibe. And then it's just cover space. I'll probably keep my shooting, my cotton stuff, and everything. I'm gonna decorate it. I'm gonna make it look nice. Yeah, that's it for this one. And so over here, you can put a desk if you want to make it, you know, a study area, whatever vibe. You can do that. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. This is the linen cupboard. So this way I'm gonna put my towels, my sheets, my linen, everything. It's gonna be in here. Then this is my master bedroom. Yeah. So you can come through. So yeah, this is the room. Big. It's okay. It's gonna be okay for me to fit. I'm sure like a queen or a king can fit in here. And then I'll put the 2 side tables. And then yeah, I'm gonna add all this stuff. This is the cupboard space. So much cupboard space. I'm so excited because I've got a lot of clothes. But yeah, everything is gonna fit in here. And then also, okay guys, I know that I keep on saying my favorite thing, but this has to be the favorite, the most favorite. Can you see how huge this tub is? It's so huge. But yeah, I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna be taking a lot of baths in here, self-care vibes, everything. I'm gonna be shooting it from here. And then we've got the toilet, and then the double vanity area for me and someone's family. Then I'm gonna put the towel here and the toilet paper here. And then this is my shower. I love it. Sure, we can also, 2 people can fit in here. But yeah, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the house. Now we're gonna go outside, but I don't think it's gonna be possible because it's raining. We're just gonna try and make it work. Okay, come guys. Okay, so we're gonna take it outside. Okay, so the door's open. Okay, I'll show you some other time. But yeah, this is the outside place. I'm gonna put some patio furniture here. I'm gonna do 2. And this is the rice and vibe, whatever. And oh, the good thing, you can come show it. My guests come over and they want to charge their phones or anything, and they don't want to get in the house, they don't have to, or if you're having a party or whatever, there's this thing where you can plug your things. So yeah, and there's the garden area. It's gonna be cute. And then at the end, unfortunately we can't go inside because it's raining. But yeah guys, thank be sharing with you a whole lot of other videos. We're going to be creating a lot of content from this house. So yeah guys, please make sure that you subscribe, you hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a new video. Bye!